Hello, my easy chefs, and welcome back to Easy Kitchen. But if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and ring that notification bell and ring that like bell also. Today we're gonna make a little snack, treat, whatever you want to call it, some sweets, Rice Krispy treats. I'm new at this, so I'm winging it. I want to make a big pan of it. So let's start this. Let's start off by putting 5 cups of Rice Krispies in the bowl. That's 2. 4. 5 cups of Rice Krispies. But we're gonna sweeten stuff up a little bit. We're gonna add some fruity pebbles. Let's put 3 cups of fruity pebbles in there. And to sweeten it up some more, we're gonna add some chocolate chips. Let's throw a cup of chocolate chips in there. One cup. And a cup of dark chocolate chips. Oh, this is gonna be good, y'all. All right, let's mix this together. It'll be mixed and homogenized. Next up, we're gonna melt these marshmallows. So I get jet puffed. I got a big bag of big marshmallows and a bag of smaller marshmallows. We're gonna mix this. We're gonna melt these in this pot right here. I got a whole stick of butter. I grease the sides so it won't stick. This should take about 4 or 5 minutes to melt.